Hi everyone. Today our topic is prime numbers. Shortcut process of the prime numbers. Before that, remember the definitions of factor and prime number. Factor means a number which divides the other number exactly is called a factor of that number. Examples: 2 is factor of 8 means divide 8 by 2. So means divide 8 by 2. 2 fours are 8, so we get remainder is 0. Exactly divides means we get remainder is 0. So 2 is called factor of the 8. Here second example, 5 is not a factor of 18 means divide 18 by 5. 5 threes are 15, so we get remainder is 3. So here we get remainder is 3. So this 18 is not a factor of this 5 is not a factor of 18. Here factor means 8 is dividend, 2 is divisor. So divide 8 by 2. If you get remainder is 0, then 2 is called factor of 8. So if you get remainder is not 0, then here 18 is dividend, 5 is divisor. So divide 18 by 5, we get remainder is 3. So here 5 is not a factor of 18. So if you get remainder is 0, then that number is factor of the other number. If you get remainder is not equal to 0, then that number is not a factor of another number. Next, prime number. Definition of the prime number. Prime number means a number which has only two factors, that is 1 and itself. Then that number is called prime number. Examples: 2. 2 is prime number means 2 has only two factors. 1 is factor and 2 is another factor. 3 is prime number. 3 is 1 is factor and 3 is factor. Next, 5. 5 is prime number means factors of 5 are 1 and itself means 5. Here take 4. 4. Find out factors of 4. So factors of 4 is 1, 2 and 4. Here we get 3 factors. So 4 is not a prime number. Here 4 is called composite number. Composite number means number of factors are 3 or more than 3 factors. Then that number is called composite number. Here 4 is a number. We get factors of the 4 is 1, 2, 4. So here 4 is called composite number. Composite number means we get 3 or more than 3 factors. Next, 8. So 8 factors of 8 1, 2, 4, 8. So we get here 4 factors. So this 8 is also called composite number. Okay. Next, shortcut process of the prime numbers. So remember this code. Here code is D D D D B BBC. Again write BBC. B B C B A. Shortcut code of the prime numbers: DD, BBC, BBC 2 times, BA. Here remember A means A, first letter of the alphabet, so A is 1, B, second letter of the alphabet, B is 2, C is 3, like that, D is 4. Remember the shortcut. First here D means 4, D4, D4, B is 2, B2, C3, B2, B2, C3, B2, A1. Next, here first D means here 1 to 10. Second D means 10 to 20. Continue this process. Next, 20 to 30. Next, 30 to 40. 40 to 50, 50 to 60, here 60 to 70, next 70 to 80, 80 to 90, 90 to 100. Means prime numbers between 1 to 100. So we have 25 prime numbers between 1 to 100. Count these numbers: 4 plus 4 plus 2, 10, 2 plus 3, 10, 15, 15, next to 2 to 1, 20, next 3 plus 2, 5, 25. There are 25 prime numbers lies between 1 to 100. Find that prime numbers. So this means 1 to 10 we have 4 prime numbers. Here 1 to 10 we have how many prime numbers? 4 prime numbers. So what are that 4 prime numbers? So the prime numbers are 2, 3, 5 and 7. So we have 1 to 10 4 prime numbers. Next 10 to 20 we have 4 prime numbers. Find out that prime numbers: 11, 13, 17 and 19. Next 20 to 30 we have 2 prime numbers. What are those 2 prime numbers? 23 and 29. Next 30 to 40, 30 to 40 we have 2 prime numbers. That prime numbers are 31 and 37. Next 30 to 40 completed. Next 40 to 50, 40 to 50 we have 3 prime numbers: 41, 43 and 47. Next 40 to 50 completed. Next 50 to 60 we have 2 prime numbers: 50 to 60, 53 and next prime number is 59. Next 60 to 70 we have 2 prime numbers: 60 to 70, 2 prime numbers, 61 and 67. Next 70 to 80, 3 prime numbers: 70 to 80, 71, 73 and 79. Next 70 to 80 completed. 80 to 90 we have 2 prime numbers: 80 to 92, 83 and 87. 90 to 100 we have only 1 prime number, that is 97. So we have total 25 prime numbers lies between 1 to 100. So these are that 25 prime numbers. So there are 25 prime numbers lies between 1 to 100. 1 to 100. Next twin primes. Next twin primes. Twin primes means difference between 2 primes is 2. Definition: difference between 2 primes is 2. So take 2 primes, subtract that 2 primes, we get answer is 2. Then the 2 primes are called twin primes. So we have 1 to 100, there are 8 pairs of twin primes. So what are those twin primes? Here difference between 5 and 3 is 2. So this is these two are twin primes. Next 5 and 7, 5 and 7 difference is 2. 5 minus 7 is 2. So like that. Next 11 13, next 13 19, next 29 31. Leave one number between two primes, then the two primes are twin primes. So here twin primes. Difference between two primes is 2. Take 5 3, subtract 5 from 3, so answer is 2. So these two primes are twin primes. 5 comma 3 pair. Next 5 comma 7, difference is 2. 7 minus 5 is 2. Next 11 comma 13, 11 comma 13. Next 17 comma 19, 17 comma 19. In between these two numbers 18, so leave one number, then the two numbers are prime numbers. Next 29 31, 29 31. Here 30 is leaved, so 31 minus 29 is 2. These two are twin primes. Next 41 43, 41 comma 43. Next 47 53, no 59 59 61, 59 comma 61. Next 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Next one pair 71 comma 73, 71 comma 73. We get 8 pairs. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So 1 to 100 there are 8 twin primes pairs. These are twin primes. Next twin primes completed. Co-primes. Co-primes are relatively primes. Co-primes are also called relatively primes. Definition: common factors of two numbers is only one. Common factor of two numbers is only one. Then that numbers are called co-primes. For example, take 5 and 8. Check 5 and 8 are co-primes or not. Means find factors of 5 and factors of 8. After that find common factors of both 5 and 8. Factors of 5 factors, 1 and 5. 5 is prime, so we get only 2 factors. Factors of 8, 1 comma 2 comma 1 is factor, 2 is factor, 4 is factor, 8 is factor. So common factors of 5 and 8, we get only one common factor. So 5 comma 8 are co-primes or relatively primes. Like that. Example. Next example B. Check is 3 comma 9 are co-primes or not. So take factors of 3. 1 comma 3. 3 is prime, so we get only 2 factors. 9. 1 comma 3 comma 9. 3 factors. Common factors of 3 and 9. So 1 is common factor in both 3 and 9. Next 3 also common factor. Here we get 2 common factors, 1 and 3. So 3 comma 9 are not co-primes. So next, note this point, any two primes are co-primes. direct bit. Any two primes. Take any two primes 2 comma 97, because in these two numbers we get only one common factor. These are prime numbers, so any two prime numbers are co-primes. Note. Any two primes are co-primes. For example, 2 comma 97. 2 is prime, 97 is prime. These are directly co-primes, means factors of 2, 1 and 2. So 2 is prime number, we get only two factors. 97 also prime, so we get only two primes, 1 and itself, 1 comma 97. In these two numbers we get only one common factors, so 2 comma 97 is co-primes. So direct point, take any two primes, that two primes are relatively primes. So we have prime numbers. Take any two primes 23 comma 47, 31 comma 59, 2 comma 3, 5 comma 19, 71 comma 73, 87 comma 41, like that. These are all co-primes. 2 comma 3, 5 comma 31. Take any two primes 7 comma 73, 19 comma 71, 13 comma 31, and so on. These are co-primes or relatively primes. Next, second example. Take any one prime number and next another composite number, that pair also co-primes. 2. Here don't take multiples of 2, means multiples 2 is prime number. Don't take multiples of, means 4, 6, 8, 10 and so on. So take 2 comma 13, 2 comma 13. These two are primes. These two are co-primes. 2 comma 13. Next 3 comma 10. 3 comma 3 is prime, 10 is composite number. This is co-primes. So we get only one common factor, means factors of 3, 1 comma 3, factors of 10, 1 comma 2 comma 5 comma 10. So in these two numbers we get only one common factor, that is 1. So 3 comma 10 are co-primes or relatively primes. 5 comma, take any, don't take 5 multiple, 5 and next 3. These are prime numbers, directly co-primes. Next 7 comma 23, like that. Next take any example. 29 comma 57. These all are co-primes. Thank you.